Welcome to WP EasyCart. In this video tutorial we're going to walk through how to create donation products. Donation products are kind of unique to EasyCart in the fact that we have a way to customize the product that allows users to enter their custom price on a donation. And so let's take a look at what we mean with the donation product. If we take a look at retail items, you'll notice the pricing is usually set. You can take a look in the details, and users can't come in and just enter their own price and check out. That's not really something you want to have them access. They can manipulate option sets and usually change the price, but it's a very structured flow with a retail item. Whereas a donation, if we take a look at this example, we want users to have maybe a starting amount, but we want to give them flexibility. Maybe they want to donate $75 instead of $25. So we're opening up that price field here to allow them to customize this, and they can enter however much they want. They're able to add that to their shopping cart, and you can have them check out with custom amounts. And so donation items, it's very similar to our invoice products as well, which give users the ability to enter their own amount to maybe pay an invoice. So let's take a look at how you create these in EasyCart. It's a very simple process. I'm going to jump over here to our products, and we're going to go ahead and just go add new. And you can have it active and on your store, that's fine, the first two options. And again, our third selection here is kind of our little wizard where you can select different types of products, one of them being donation. Again, I always tell people you're not stuck to this. Even if you selected retail item or something, you can always go in and change it. All we do here is basically manipulate a few of the shipping and set up rules. So my donation product, I'll give it a title. Give it a quick SKU and a manufacturer. I'm going to start out with maybe a $10 donation, so I'm going to put down just a default price of 10. An image, again, even though it's probably something that you don't have an image for, it might be nice to make something, because that image really does flow through the entire shopping system in EasyCart. So I've just kind of set up, all I've done is select donation product. I'm going to go ahead and create and edit this and show you what it actually does. Now, just with that quick little setup, we can actually go to our store and see the product, and it's already set up the way we need it. It's going to allow users to enter their own price. It's going to have a label that says, hey, what's the donation amount, and they can add to cart. So really at this point it's just a matter of kind of adding some descriptions and some photography or short descriptions to kind of style your product better. Let's take a look at some of those things. Again, the description. This is my first donation item. You can really create some good descriptions that help sell your item. Images, again, you can go in there and set up multiple images for the product. Okay. When you open up your basic settings, this is what's essentially turned on. It's now a donation / invoice product. And so that's what opens up that key pricing field and allows it to be editable. Okay. We could go through and have featured products. Maybe you have other donations that you feel like they would be good cross-marketing for. You can do some SEO descriptions and keywords for it. If you go down to packaging, you'll notice they're all set to 0, and that's pretty common. I mean, a donation amount usually isn't something you ship. If you do want to have a shippable item, you can add something here, as well as enable shipping for your item. Those are turned off because by default most donations are just collections of money. You could use specifications and really get into more detail with your donation. And so these items, again, as you flow down through here, pretty optional. The key thing you're looking for is in the basic settings and whether or not you have donations turned on. that is going to open up your pricing field and allow for somebody to enter an amount. I'll just enter, $500, add it to your cart, and you've got a simple donation. People can check out just like they would any other item. Again, whether or not it applies to shipping or taxes and all of that is just depending on the other settings that you do inside of your product. So if you're curious how to create some other really fun products, for example, invoices, if you want to collect service-based products, or if you're curious how to do subscriptions, subscriptions and recurring payments is another popular method. Downloadable products or digital goods or retail items, EasyCart can really sell just about anything on the platform. And so we have a whole video section on just these products. And stay tuned. We'll see you in our next videos.